You can ask anything about all your SOPs or your safety procedures. There could be equipment manuals, compliance requirements. So all of such documents that would be stored in your knowledge box. And they could be tagged. Let's say there could be specific documents from a drilling department or a production department or a maintenance department. For example, let's say I want to know what PPE is required for H2S areas. So instead of me wanting to dig through those hundreds or 200 pages of PDFs or documents that's hidden in any of the source, I will directly just ask a question, and I will actually understand the user intent based on what you're asking, pull out all the relevant context, push it to the LLM, and gives you a beautiful answer, the way how you would like the format to be. And then once you get these answers, you can see, you can also get if there's any visual references tagged to it. For example, image tagged to a particular document where it has a particular diagram of the questions that you're asking, any related documents. And the beautiful part of it is you will actually know where exactly your answers are coming from, or where exactly is the PDF that you got the answer from. You can just pull it out right then and there. You can go through it and trust your answer. Based on that, it smartly asks you or pops up with relevant questions so that you're in track, and it's more like a conversational experience that it wants to give you. So let's say I ask a follow-up question. How do I do know SCBA in under 60 seconds? Imagine if you would want to search an answer for this. Imagine how much time you would end up spending, but rather it will give you a quick answer. And let's say, imagine if you are in the plant and you don't really recognize a particular equipment. You take a photo of that particular equipment, you upload that, and you want to know what is this equipment about, what SOPs apply to this, what are the procedures that applies to this particular equipment. I will just quickly upload that photo, ask my question, and then based on the image that I've provided, what it reads, it actually comes back telling that this is a blowout preventer stack, and these are all the different SOPs that it applies to, and these are the SOP numbers, and what are the key requirements, and all of that bit. So that's how you can actually make leverage or find this useful, especially when you have an AI assistant that you can give to your employees or everyone that's working on the floor, how useful this could be and how much time you're basically saving in order to get these knowledge. And similar experience, you would also like to quickly search for a particular document. Rather, if you could, let's say you want to see all the H2S safety related documents, and then you can do a keyword search where you will actually pop up with all the relevant files that you have, may it be all your audit reports, and then any compliance reports. You can quickly just search through across all of such content or videos or documents that you have that's searchable in a single dashboard.